All right, I have to start the music.
I do not know what to say, but I know what you think about it. So one look at your face. Now I wanna know how you taste. Usually don't give it away, but you know what you think about it.
4, 3, 2, march wide. Step together, nice and easy. Take our time warming up since it's so hot and humid. 4, 3, 2. Now we're going to move it forward. 4, 3, 2, move it back. 4, 3, 2, forward. 4, 3, 2, back. 4, 3, 2, forward. 4, 3, 2, back. 4, 3, 2, just step together. Now if you want, add those arms. 4, 3, 2, reach arms up. 4, 3, 2, leg lift. 4, 3, 2, pull the arms down, up, down, up. Open out wide. And 4, 3, 2, arms out wide, press back. Look up. 4, 3, 2, open the legs out a little bit wider. Side to side lunge. Push the weight back. 4, 3, 2. Opposite hand to foot. Or you can reach towards the knee if you want to make it a little smaller. Still warming up. And 4, 3, 2. We're going to hold center. Roll up. About halfway. Legs out wide. Knees are soft. Circle the arms. Nice and slow. And circle. And circle. Maybe a little bit lower in that squat if you want. Nice opening up through the shoulders. 2 more. And then we're going to roll it forward. And then open up. Roll in. And open. 2 more. Last one. Roll. And open. March right. 4, 3, heel front, arm long. So really reaching forward. Nice and easy. 4 more. Tap out right and left. So again, nice easy moves. If you want, you can leave the arms out. If you want to take it even more low impact, you can maybe add just a small arm move. Or all the way up. 4, 3, 2. We're going to tap back, circle arms. You can also just circle on one leg. Make it a little bit slower. Or both. And 4, 3, 2, march right, march wide, single arm cross. Stretch it out through the back. 4 more. Now we're going to take that right arm, sweep open. Big circle open. 2 more. Then go to the other arm. Reach, open, reach, open. 4, 3, 2, and step together. Bicep curls. Knee lift right and left. Staying nice and tall. In 4, 3, 2, low kick front. Nice and easy. If you don't want to kick, stay with that heel front. 4, 3, low kick to the side. Just push it out. Or tap. Either one works. 4, 3, 2, knee out wide. Nice. 4, 3, 2, another set. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, squat wide. Sitting nice and low in the heels. Pushing the weight back. 4, 3, 2, and march wide. 4, 3, 2, in, 4, 3, 2, out wide. 4, in, wide, in, wide. 2, out, in, out, in. 4, 3, 2, and march. 4, 3, knee lift right only. Tap back left. 4, 3, 2, knee lift. 4, 3, 2, tap back. 4, 3, 2, 2 knees. Tap back. 2 knees. Now if you want, you can kick back. Knee, knee, kick, kick. Or stay with the tap. Knee, knee, kick, kick. Knee, knee, kick. One of each. Knee, kick, or knee, tap, knee, tap. In 4, 3, 2, and march. Wide. 4, 3, 2, step together. 4, 3, 2, step behind. Nice and easy. You could also stay with the step together, making it a little bit smaller, or really reach behind. March left. 4, 3, knee lift left only. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, tap back right. Standing knee soft. 4, 3, 2, knee. 4, 3, 2, tap back. 4, 3, 2, 2 knees. Tap back. 2 knees. Tap back. Remember, you can change to kick, 2 knees. Kick, kick, or stay with that tap back. kick. Use your breath. Lean slightly forward. Standing knee is always soft. You got it. Now one of each. Knee, kick, or knee and tap. 4, 3, 2, and march. March wide. 4, 3, 2. Step together. Hold the legs. Press up. So a little bend in the knees. A little pulse up. Or you can come up on toes. 4, 3, 2, and march. March in. 4, 3. Walk forward 3 and tap. 1, 2, 3 and tap. Tap. 1, 2, 3 tap. Back. 2, 3 tap. You can always make it a little bigger. Towards the floor, tap back, or just stay tall. Now we're going to change to kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. Back, 2, 3, kick. One more. Now we're going to kick side. 1, 2, 3, kick. Or you can tap. 1, 2, 3, tap or kick. Last time. Forward, knee, knee. Nice and tall. Last set. And march. Tap out left and right. Arms are in if you want. Whenever you're ready, change the arm up overhead. Nice long reach, or you can reach across, or low. The music's not too fast today, so you don't necessarily have to rush through it. You can make it a little bigger, a little bit lower. Still working without any bounce, without any jump. 4, 3, 2, and march. 4, 3, 2, heel front, arms come up. 4, 3, knee lift left and right, same arms. Cross the arms. 4, 3, if you want, double the arms. Good. And 4, 3, 2, and march. March wide. 4, 3, 2, march in. 4, 3, take a deep breath up. Relax the shoulders. We're going to go grab either a water bottle, lightweight, some water. And then we'll get started. Nice, easy moves. Working at your own pace. It's always a good idea to take little sips throughout, especially in the summer when it's hot, humid. So make sure you recover in between. Keep your legs moving even as you get water. So I have, I think, 3 pounds here. But you could use a water bottle filled with water, sand, rocks, whatever you have. So the first move, we're just going to take it out to legs out wide. I'm going to take the arms out wide. We're going to bring it across, so you're kind of in a lunge position, and then out wide, cross to the other side, out wide. So start slow. Staying with the arms, rotating side to side. And then as you get the feel of the move, you want to go a little bit quicker. That works too. Rotate. The idea is to really keep good form. Front knee in line with ankle, back heel is up, and you bring the arms down by the shoulders, open and turn. Good form is best, so if you need to slow it down, and it depends on your space. If you have a carpet, I know sometimes my feet stick a little. So do what works. A little longer. Let's try 4 more. 3, 2, oh, even with light weights you should feel it, and rest. Keep the legs out wide. Going to take the arm out, up, left arm up. So you're going to, legs out wide, left arm up. We're going to go down, 2, 3, and lift. Down, 2, 3, and lift. Out, 2, 3, and up. So it's slow and controlled. Out, 2, 3, and lift. Out, 2, 3. 2 more on the side. Out, 2, only lowering to about shoulder height. And rest. So you might want to roll out that shoulder, shake out any tension for a second. Right arm comes up, same thing. Out, 2, 3, lift up. Out, 2, 3. Now if you need to, you could always leave that plie squat out and just work with the arm. Down, 2, 3, and lift. Or you could just stay in that squat instead of having that lift up. Good. And release. Relax through the shoulders for a second. That made me sweat. Hold on a second. All right, next move. Arms are out. And you can, let's hold up first. Weights up overhead. Just gonna lift left leg and then the right leg. Left leg and right. So you can have a slight bend in that knee. You can even turn and lift, leading with the inner thighs. If that's not comfortable, just stay with the knee lift. It's up to you. Abs in as you lift, whichever version you pick. Blow your breath out as you lift. Let's do 4 more each side. Keep those weights up overhead. Last 2. Now opposite, elbow to knee. With the weights, if you can, if you're like, oh, my arms are killing me, still keep moving, and just do it without the weights. Adding that rotation in the core, turning to the side, working upper body, core, cardio, still keeping that heart rate up, because we're moving. You can even take the arms up and over, or just keep the arms in close. 4, 3, 2, bring the weights in, legs out wide. We're gonna 1, 2, 1, 2, knee, 1, 2, knee, 1, 2, knee, 1, 2, knee. So you just lift that foot up, set it down, add the twist. You can go a little bit deeper into that squat and lift. Then a little quicker if you want to lift, down to lift, down to lift, down to lift. It's up to you on how quick you move through this. Taking the weight in close, or the water. Blow your breath out as you lift. 4, 3, 2, and march. Relax the shoulders. Shake it out for a second. Next move. We're gonna do, let's do one weight. So we can put one weight down. We're gonna take the right leg back. The right arm is long. We're gonna tap in and then extend. Tap in, extend. In, extend so that left knee slightly bent, keeping you balanced. Long, 2 more. Then bring the knee in and extend. Knee in and extend. Knee, extend. And then if you want, you can go a little quicker. In. 4, 3, 2, and then hold. Long. Arm is long. Leg is long. You can also tap the foot on the floor. Crunch in. Extend. Crunch in. Extend. So you're still balancing on that left leg. If you start to lose your balance, tap that right foot down. In and extend. Tap down in between. Or try to balance. 4, 3, 2, last one. Hold. Pulse the arm up, up, up. 4, 3. Arm comes out to the side. Lift, 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 lift. 4, 3, 2, and release. So you should have felt the glutes, hip, working on that left side. Whew. Stretch it out in between. Release any tension in that leg if you need. Maybe some leg lifts. Just relax. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Catch your breath. It's a lot of work to balance. Keep the core in tight as you work. So now that knee is bent, the right knee is bent, left toe is back, arm is up, bring it in and extend long. Bring it in, keep the abs in so you're not arching through the back. Use your breath. We're going to bring the knee in and extend. In and extend. In and extend. Sometimes bringing the other arm out to the side helps. Then if you want a little quicker, in 4, 3, 2, hold. Whew. And then we're going to bring that knee in and extend. Knee in and extend. So sometimes finding a spot to focus on the floor will help. Again, you can tap the toes down in between. That helps. Blow your breath out as you squeeze in. Sometimes one side is easier to balance on. We have one more. Hold. Pulse the arm up. Lift. Up. Squeeze. Up. 4, 3, 2. Out wide. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. So now shake out that other leg. Stretch it out if you need to. Maybe grab a sip of water. Nice deep breaths as you work or as you stretch. And then we're going to take, let's do march left in 4, 3. With your weights, 2, up overhead, step together. If you don't want to stay overhead, you can keep the weights in until you're ready. In 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, then we're going to bring it behind. So we're going to reach behind, come up in the center. Long, you can circle up, cross back, circle up. It can be a small tap back, circle up, tap back, circle up, or a little bit lower, squeezing into the hips and glutes on that front leg. Keep going. So you don't have to rush through it. The idea is still keep that knee in line with ankle so the weight is back, but you feel it in hips and glutes here. Circle up, reach back. Again, weight is in the heel, and then you come back up. Breath in on the way down, go out at the top. 4 more. 3, 2, last 1, and rest. Relax the shoulders. Maybe shake out through neck and shoulders for a second. Legs out wide. Knees are soft. Palms are up. You're going to circle up and down. Up and down. So you're still adding that plie squat. If you're like, nope, had enough, circle the arms. You could also just stay low and circle up, down, and up. In, roll out. Nice. Breath in, blow out at the top. Last 4. Stay strong. 3. Last 2. Last 1. And rest. Now you can place the weights down for the next move. I only have, I think, like 2 more moves. Then we're going to go back to a little cardio. So roll out through the shoulders. First move, it's a slow burpee. So you can squat, arms can be up, tap back, bring it in, and just press up. You can tap or squat, tap back, and then lower lift. You can come to the floor, squat, tap back with one foot, come in, press up. You can tap back both feet, step in and up, or do that jump back. So let me just time us only about 45 seconds-ish. So you can pick. Slow is still fine. It'll still work. You can even add a push-up at the bottom. 3, 2, 1, and begin. So, good squat down, step back, long line. You could hop in and up, you could hop back, step in and up. So you have lots of options. I know you might not be able to keep watching, so keep moving yourself in whatever option works for you. Doesn't have to be high intensity to still work. Sometimes, again, slow is just as effective. Maybe using opposite leg to tap back and in. You're still working because you're going down and up. You're changing levels, even if you're keeping it low impact. We only have one set of these, so make it good. Yes, 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 you can. 4, 3, 2, and rest. All right. That might have gotten your heart rate up a little. So the last move we're going to do is, let's do weights, water bottles on shoulders. We're going to do, let's do 3 rounds of these, 12 to 15 of the move. So I'm going to time it again so you can see where we're at. So ideally, no more than about 40 seconds. So I'll tell you when we're at 40 seconds. The idea is to get through as many as you can in the round so that you have a little longer rest to recover. But I still want you to have good form. So it's not really a competition except with yourself. All right, so first set, ready? And begin. It's just squat, press overhead. If the weight is light, you can go a little quicker, or your water bottles. You can also do single arm, 12 to 15. Blow your breath out at the top. All right, that's 30 seconds. So if you're still going, that's all right. We're at 40 seconds. So even if you didn't do 12 to 15 yet, that's okay. You can stop, catch your breath. Remember, you keep moving in between. The next set, maybe go a little bit slower. Really push up at the top. If you have weights and you want to combine, you can do that. Ready? And begin. Squat, press. Maybe lower and press. Blow your breath out at the top. Nice and low. Thirty seconds. So slowing it down might have taken you a little longer. 40 seconds, so you can stop if you want. So you can at least get that 20-second rest. Then we only have one more set. So the last set, you might want to go slow on the way down, slow on the way up, or down and slow on the way up. 3, 2, and begin. Up and press. The weight in the heels.
But
30 seconds. 40 seconds, so I only got 12 in that time because I did a little slower, and that's it. Stretch it out, recover, roll out through the shoulders, grab a sip of water if you need to. Nice. Perfect timing. So for the next section, a little more cardio, and we'll see where we're at. See what we can fit in at the end. Nice work. Make sure you recover, hydrate, stretch it out. March right. So we're going to start on that right leg. Forward 3 and tap, kind of like we did before. Oh, I got stuff on my shirt. 4, 3, walk forward 3 and tap. 1, 2, 3, tap, back 2, 3 and tap. So this gives you a chance to slow it down a little. Just walking and tapping. On the next one, if you want, add that kick. 1, 2, 3, kick, back 2, 3, kick. 2, 3, kick. Abs in, standing knees soft. Last set like this. Then we're going to kick to the side. 1, 2, 3, kick, or you can tap. Either one. Last set. Knee lift. 1, 2, 3, knee. Last time. And march. March wide. 4, 3, 2, in, 4, 3. Tap out right and left. Again, nice and easy. Even no arms if you want. If you're like, oh, my arms are dead. Just keep it in here. You can add an arm across or maybe reach low. You can add that rotation. You can make it a little bit bigger. You can swing the arm up as you stay low and tap out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, march right, 4, 3, 2, low kicks, yes, and 8, 7, other option, 4, 3, 2, knee lift right and left, pull into the back. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, narrow squat here. So we did a lot of wide squats. Now you want to keep it in nice and narrow, about hip distance, maybe a little wider if the knee bothers you. Really push the weight back in the heels. If you want, you can add a come up on toes. Working through the calf. Breath in, blow out. Breath in, blow out. Yes. 8, 7, 6, woo! 5, woo! 4, push. 3, up. 2, lift. Last one, hold. 4, 3, 2, and rest. Check it out. Nice work. All right, next move. Let's do. Actually, 4, 3, 2. Now we're going to tap behind. Right, left, right, left. Lift, 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 lift. So you're tapping behind. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 3, lift into the shoulder, 2, and march. Now we roll out through the shoulders. Grab a weight if you want. Let's do, I think we have enough time. So we're going to balance on that right leg. Take the left toes back. So showing you from the side. Your toes are here. You're just going to hinge forward from the hip, coming over as far as it feels comfortable. If you can reach all the way over, that's fine. You'll feel that lengthening in the back of the right leg. Otherwise, you can lift that left leg. 3, 2, hinge forward, and then release. Tap down in between. Hinge forward, and release. So just getting your balance on that right leg. Then we're going to hold this one forward and bring the arms out to the side, and then release. Hinge forward and lift out to the side, and release. Hinge and lift arms wide, and release. Really ground that right foot into the floor, and release. Squeeze, and release. So you pause in that kind of an airplane position. 2 more. Try to keep the abs in. Try not to arch through the back. Last one. Hold. You can also tap the toe down. Pulse the arms up. Squeeze up. Nice long neck and shoulders. 4, 3, 2, and release. Roll out the shoulders. Stretch it out for a second before we go the other side. This music must have stopped, so hold on for a second. You get a little longer rest. All right. Do the same thing on that left leg. So get your balance, shoulder relaxed, hinge forward, keeping the arms in front nice and long, getting your balance now on that left leg. Nice long, reach and hinge over as far as it feels comfortable for you. And we're tapping down in between. Add that side arm raise, hinge forward, side arm raise, and then release. Hinge forward and lift, and release. Abs in. Nice and long. Pause at the top as you hold. I'm going to try 2 more. Standing knees soft, hinge and hold, and release. Last one. Then we're going to hold. Hold that leg up or tap back, pulse, up, squeeze, up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Shake it out. Stretch it out for a second. All right, let's, I guess I lost my mat. So we're going to come to the floor. And if you want to grab a weight and bring it with you, this will help. Let's do the left leg first. So I'm going to come over to my right side. We're going to extend the legs out from the hips. So make sure the legs are stacked. You can rest the upper body on the floor. We're just going to lift that top leg and release. Lift and release. So you're thinking about lifting, heel up towards the ceiling. This is a nice way to kind of open up through those hips. Some of the work that we did already. Let's do 4 more. Think about lifting that heel up towards the ceiling, just as high as it feels comfortable for you. Everybody's a little different, and it depends how tight you feel. And release. So you can bring that top leg forward and just kind of shake it out for a second, because we're going to still stay on the floor. We're going to be in hands and knees position. We're going to take the right leg out to the side. Get your balance. Right arm is going to be down and lift, down and lift. So you might have to bring that other hand out a little wider. Down, lift, down, lift, out, lift, out, lift. So keep going. You just lift that leg out to the side and lower, and then lift the arm out to the side and lower. 3, 2. Now hold that arm at an angle. Go in and out. In and out. If you get tired in the upper lower body, just lift down and up, just using the arm lifting into the shoulder. 4, 3, 2, last one, and release. And then you might want to stretch it out before we go the other side. So release any tension you feel in your wrist, roll out through the shoulders, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So make sure you have your balance. Make sure you bend this left leg. We lift and release, lift and release. So keep going. It's a small lift, and if you go slow, you'll kind of feel you need to keep that other arm and leg to keep you balanced, because you're lifting the same arm and same leg, which is a little challenging. Working through that core, keeping the abs tight. Breathe, blow your breath out as you lift. 2 more. And then we're going to release. This time we're going to take that arm just out to the side and lower, kind of just lifting into that shoulder. Same leg. 3, 2, and again. We lift and lower, up, and release. Lift. Blow your breath out as you squeeze up. Last 4, 3, 2, last 1. And from here, you can sit back on heels, walk the hands forward to stretch it out. So you want to try to push your weight back so you can open up through hips and glutes. And bring the arms forward to stretch out through front of chest and shoulder. Abs in. Relax the shoulders. In 4, 3, 2, come back up. We're going to take hands right underneath shoulders, knees right underneath hips. Right arm extends, left leg is long. Bring it in and extend long. Punch it in and extend. Nice and long. Reach fingertips to toes. Let's do 8 more. 7, extend. 6, extend. Last 5, reach. 4, 3, last 2, last 1, and release. And go right over to the other side. Make sure you're balanced. Left arm, right leg. Punch it in and extend. Punch in, extend. Bring your breath out as you bring the knee in. Time as you bring it in and extend. Nice and long. Really reach fingertips to toes. Really extend. Last 2. Legs out wide. Again, sit back on heels. Walk the hands forward. Stretch it out. Nice deep breaths to slow it down. Slow it all down. Nice lengthening. This is your chance to slow it all down. Breathe, stretch, lengthen everything out. And then we're going to come up from that child's pose position to hands and knees. So hands right underneath shoulders, knees right underneath hips. We're just going to tuck in, stretch through the back, arch, pull it all in, and then release and let it go. And then again, really squeeze in, and then release and let it go. We're going to do it one more time. Really squeeze in, arch up, and then release and let it go. Now we're going to look over your right shoulder towards your right hip, and then come back to center. Look over the left. See if you can see toward your right hip. And then back to center, and then just maybe a little shake, releasing any tension you feel. We're going to come over to sitting. You can take your shoes off if you want to stretch. Grab another sip of water if you need it. Whew, we made it, guys. All right, so extend the legs long from the hips, about hip distance. We're just going to hinge from the hip. And I know my hamstrings are feeling a little tight, so I might only go here until I breathe a little bit more into it, and then I'll be able to round over. So take it where it works for you. Think about lengthening from the heel all the way up into that low back. Nice deep breath. Really slowing it all down. Hopefully you worked hard with me. Felt your heart rate increase with some of the moves with the weights. You know, I got nice and sweaty. So now we should feel fairly easy to stretch in some ways because you're nice and warm. But because we shortened and tightened all the muscles, we need to really lengthen back out. And then we're going to take our time and slowly roll up. Relax the shoulders. Bring the soles of the feet together. And then just press open. So you're relaxing through the inner thigh. So you can bring the feet in closer, out wider, whatever feels best for you. But it should feel good to kind of open up through your hips, inner thighs. You don't have to press too hard to feel that opening. And then we're going to slowly release. You can bring the knees in, come to standing. From here, we're going to take a nice deep breath up. Relax the shoulders, press open. Let's balance on the left leg first so we can reach for that right leg. And press the leg forward. So remember, you can bring the arm out to the side, up, hold your earlobe, or find the wall for a little bit of support, or whatever's next to you. Shoulders down and relaxed. Press that leg forward so you feel that quad muscle stretch and open. Nice deep breath. And then we're going to slowly release that leg and just shake the foot out. So release any tension in the bottom part of the leg. You can bring it out to the side and maybe back. You can roll through that ankle, stretch it out. And then we're going to take another nice deep breath up. Relax and open, and then we're going to balance on the other leg and reach for the left leg. So again, pressing that leg forward, shoulders down and relaxed. That standing knee can be slightly bent to help you balance. It's going to be a hot week this week, so make sure you guys hydrate. Remember to keep your water with you. Find ways to remind yourself to get that fluid intake so you don't get dehydrated. Relax the shoulders. Then we're going to take our time and release that left leg. Bring the right arm out to the side. Bring it across the body so you can stretch through the outside of that shoulder. Nice deep breath. And then we're going to release that. Bring the other arm out to the side. Bring it across the body, keeping the shoulder down. Nice deep breath. And then slowly release. Just shake the arms out, releasing any tension you feel. Sometimes it just feels good to just kind of let it go. Nice and easy. And then if you want, you can take some shoulder rolls or arm circles, lengthening out through the front of the shoulder. And then you can reverse it, rolling it open, stretch. And then we're going to hold center. And we're just going to drop the chin to chest, so you're stretching through your neck and shoulders, and then start to circle it around to the back, to the other side and forward, and then reverse direction. Go the other way, back and around to the front. Bring it up. One nice deep breath up. Relax the shoulders, press open, enjoy your day. Thank you very much. That was really fun.